In this short video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to find cases that consider a word or phrase in Westlaw Australia. The example that I'll be using is I'll be searching for the phrase best interests of the child for a family law matter. So let's jump into the homepage of Westlaw Australia, and about halfway down on the screen on the left, just click on the link All Cases, and then go up to the top right-hand corner. Beside the global search bar is the advanced search link. So we'll click on advanced. And now we have all of the advanced search fields for cases displaying. The one that I'm looking for though is right down towards the bottom of the screen. So we need to scroll down. There we go. So third field from the bottom, words and phrases. So I'm going to enter in my phrase right here, best interests of the child, and then click on search. Great. So now we have all of our search results displaying. Now I can see I've got 241 cases here. I'm not going to read all of those. So normally what you would do is go over on the left-hand side and start using your filters. For today, I'm going to select a reported status. So just tick that checkbox and click apply. Great, that's narrowed it down to 192 cases. So normally you would want to add in some additional filters to narrow down your search. As we scroll down, I can see this case here has gone all the way to the High Court, so that's probably a good starting point. So what you can do is just drill down on the yellow part. Excellent. So the case is now opened up and it will take us straight away in the case to this heading here, words and phrases considered. So that's fantastic. What I suggest you do is that you can just simply use our favorite little tip, and that is Control F, and that will bring up your search field up in the top right hand corner, and I've got best interests of the child is entered into the field there, and I can see it's mentioned 5 times in this case. So we can just simply use the down arrow and it will take us straight away to wherever that phrase is being used. So there we go. We can see that's the second time it's mentioned in the case, and then the third, fourth, and fifth. And what I would do is take notice of the paragraph numbers, and that will assist with your research. So there you go. That's a nice short tutorial on how to find cases that consider a word or phrase in Westlaw Australia.